Okay, here's my mom's room after construction, but with basic furniture before we've done any decorating. We do have long white sheer curtains to go in that window. I just don't have a ladder tall enough to put them up, so I have to get that ladder. The chandelier, the nightstands, and the armoire were all purchased secondhand, and the armoire was in the space before because I did get it during the last shopping trip. If you do want to see the whole house at once and not room by room, you can go to our YouTube channel and there is a video for the whole house instead of room by room. Now to the left, you're going to see this wood thing against the wall right there. It's covering up the pipes for the heating system for all the radiators, and I don't like it. I'd like something more decorative or more camouflaging. Either way, I'm just not digging how it is right now. I'm also going to need some help in the bathroom here. I replaced the sink and replaced the toilet, but I do not like these tiles on the wall. It just doesn't go with anything in the house, and I don't like the red. I just don't like them. I will paint the two doors there. I'll, strip them, sand them, paint them, and then paint the wall as well to brighten it up. But I don't know what to do. Do you paint the tiles? Do you put vinyl on them? I'm not sure. I'd rather not take them out and replace them, just labor-wise. I don't want to do that much work. But so let me know your suggestions. That silver knob is the water shutoff knob. So for the mirror, I'm gonna have to get like a medicine cabinet so I can cut a hole in the back so that can go through. And then I want to do some storage underneath. It's very narrow, so I'm not certain I'm going to be able to find something that will fit properly, so I might have to build that too. And yeah, I don't know how to build anything, so that might also be a problem, that I'm starting all these projects that I don't know how to do, but I've got time. So in that window, I think I want to build a bench and with storage underneath. So yes, me building again. So I don't know, what do you think about that? And the closet, a rod with on the top, and maybe move one of the shelves down. The armoire does have a rod and shelves, so I don't really need that. So see, what do you think about the bench? So anyway, let me know what you think.